Hey everyone! It's time to slim down and power up with some supercharged veggie juices. Today I'm sharing my top 5 vegetable juices that'll not only help you shed those extra pounds, but also boost your immunity. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, we have the classic green juice. Loaded with kale, spinach, cucumber, and celery, this juice is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals. The fiber keeps you full, while the antioxidants give your immune system a serious boost. Plus, it's low in calories, making it perfect for weight loss. Next, let's talk about beetroot juice. Beets are fantastic for detoxing the liver and improving circulation. This vibrant juice also helps lower blood pressure and enhances stamina. Mix it with a bit of apple and ginger for a tasty kick. Third on the list is carrot juice. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A, essential for a strong immune system. They also promote healthy skin and support weight loss with their low-calorie content. Add a splash of orange for some extra vitamin C. Now, let's not forget about cabbage juice. It might not sound appealing, but this juice is incredible for digestion and detoxification. Cabbage is packed with vitamins K and C, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. Pair it with carrots and apples to sweeten the deal. Last but not least, we have spinach and pineapple juice. Spinach is a nutrient-dense superfood, while pineapple adds sweetness and a dose of bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion. This combo is refreshing, boosts metabolism, and supports a healthy immune system. So there you have it, 5 powerful veggie juices to kickstart your weight loss journey and strengthen your immunity. Give these recipes a try and let me know which one's your favorite in the comments. Cheers to a healthier you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more health tips and recipes. See you next time.